Well, go on, traders. Yeah, the traders here again, man. All right. Hope you guys had a good Easter weekend. So we're back again, guys. Back at it, guys. The start of another trading week. So let's dive in and see what Mullen is up to. So as you can see on my chart here, Mullen is currently at 1027. So as I mentioned last week, for Mullen to show some sign that yes, this we have reached the bottom and we're going to hold the support. Seems like Mullen is holding that 10 cents, guys. So let's zoom in and see what's going on. So on Friday, Mullen had come down to 972 thereabout, and since then it has pushed up during the course of the day on Friday. It ended the day on Friday at 10.15, 10 cents and 15. But look at what's happening after that, guys. After market, it was basically flat. Now, this is pre-market for today, guys. Easter Monday. And we have now retested the 1067. It has come down back a little bit. So we are hovering around the 1027. But if you look at where it's coming from on Friday, you can see that yes, it wasn't quite a big rejection of below the 10 cent, but at least it pushed back up above the 10 cent, and we are hovering above the 10 cent. So let's take a look and see what happened in terms of the market cap on Friday. So overall, the market cap, I think we're around this level. We had a bit of sell-off over the past couple of days, so we're hovering around at 215 million. But this is what happened with Mullen on Friday. It was basically flat on Friday, and pre-market it went up almost to 5% earlier this morning, but now it's basically at around 1% up. But you know what, guys, I will take it any day. It's actually green, 0.5% on Friday, and it's still green in pre-market. So I will take that any day above it being red. So if you do comparisons to the rest of the market, TSX was basically flat, S&P basically flat, Dow was flat. If you look at the comps, Lucid, there were no change on Lucid. Neo, 0.5% up, and Rivian went down by 8%. So the market was basically flat on Friday. Sorry, I keep saying on Friday. I meant on Thursday. Friday was a holiday. So there was no new news on Mullen since last week. So yeah. So let's take a look and see what's going on with the options. So in terms of the options that came in on Thursday, we had 17,450 in terms of calls. Puts was 1,200. For this week, open interest 15, almost 16,000. And for next week, 105,000. So I've said this before, guys. Huge open interest for next week. So what I think may be happening is we have the Russell deadline coming up, and that deadline is for the 28th of April, the 28th of April. And by then, for Mullen to remain on the Russell, it has to reach at least $1 by then. So I am thinking there could be anticipation that yes, the stock will run up by next week. For me personally, I doubt it will get to that dollar stage to remain on the Russell. But persons are looking at it saying, hey, guess what, there's a chance that it will try to attempt to get to that dollar stage. So I guess that's why you have that huge open interest, 105, because this is we usually average around, for a good day, around 30,000. So now this is like 3 times that amount, 105. So that's what I think will be happening between now and next week. So you should see a run up on the stock. So if we zoom out, let's take a look and see what's going on with the RSI. So let us fix this a little bit here. Okay, so the RSI is still in a slightly oversold territory, not all the way down to the real oversold levels, but it's hovering closer to the oversold than overbought territory, as you can see here, and the MACD is still looking bearish. So overall, I think it's at this level. There's going to be a little bit of struggle for the stock to remain above the 10 cent. But based on the look of it, it seems like whenever the stock pushes down to the 10 cent level, it holds that 10 cent and pushes back up. So my expectation for today, I mean for the next couple of days, we should see it remain at above the 10 cent and try to push back up, and I'm hoping that we will start to see the curl, and the curl would be push it back up to retest this level, 1690 level. That's where we want it to retest. Show that yes, once that curls happen, then we know that this is the new support. Alright, so that's kind of what I have for you today, guys. So as usual, if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. And for those who are still on holidays, enjoy, because a lot of people still take the Easter Monday off. So for those persons, enjoy your day. But for those guys that needs to be at work, it's just another day for us. Okay, take care guys, and have a good one.